Have you ever wondered how leaves make food? They don't have kitchens or stoves like we do, yet they whip up the most delicious meals using just sunlight, water, and air. This incredible process is called photosynthesis. It's like magic, but it's real. Photosynthesis is how plants make their food. It's also how they provide us with the oxygen we breathe. Without photosynthesis, life on Earth would be very different. Animals depend on plants for food. They also need the oxygen that plants release. Even humans who eat a variety of foods ultimately rely on plants. Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. It's the process that sustains almost all life forms on our planet. Without it, our world would be a very different place. Imagine a world without plants, animals, or even humans. That's how important photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is like a vital link in a chain. It connects the sun's energy to all living things. Plants use sunlight to convert simple ingredients into food. This food then fuels the entire food chain. So how do plants actually make their food? They use a simple recipe: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Sunlight provides the energy, water is absorbed from the soil, and carbon dioxide is taken in from the air. These three ingredients are all plants need to cook up a meal. Inside the leaves of plants, these ingredients combine in a special kitchen called chloroplasts. Think of chloroplasts as tiny factories within the leaves. This is where the magic of photosynthesis happens. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, but it's not just about looks. Chlorophyll plays a crucial role in photosynthesis. It acts like a solar panel, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy. This energy is then used to transform water and carbon dioxide into glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar that plants use for food. As a bonus, plants release oxygen during photosynthesis. This oxygen is what we breathe.